What's going on, everyone? I have a Treasury balance update for you. It's been a while since I've done this. Basically, where we're at, we have started this fiscal year at $215 billion. This month, we started above that at $278 billion. Today, we ended up opening at $198,696, and we ended up closing today at $178,972. So down about a billion in the Treasury since the beginning of this month. Repo's back on the rise. And going into tomorrow, we could very well see another record being broken at the rate we're going. So I'm anticipating a record break tomorrow, but you never know what could happen. Treasury balance is on the decline rapidly. So again, we do have a couple weeks until that relief is expiring. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But yeah, that's the update I have for you. Treasury daily statement for today. The closing balance is $178,972,000,000. Down about 20 or so billion from where we opened this morning. So, and in case you wanted to know the deposits and withdrawals, here's table 2. I will link this below so you can go take a look at all of the specifics here. But that's where we're at. Crime Central. Talk to you all later.